car. I don't see anyone driving it, flying it. The only thing I can see is a guy playing with his Nintendo Switch. But he's alone and there's no one in the driver's seat. Aha! It must be a flying car that's piloting itself. Am I dreaming right now? Is this artificial intelligence real? And has it now become part of our everyday lives? Something must be going on that I just don't know about. Yum! These dessert advertisements seem to be following me and popping up on large screens wherever I go. Aww! My favorite strawberry shortcake and vanilla macaroons are on sale. Must remember to pick them up on my way home. What's this barcode tattoo on my arm? It does look cool. 2 slices of strawberry shortcake, please. Payment. Here, scan me. Beep. Well, there goes my weekly savings. But it's so worth it. Baby, it's worth it. Yes, so worth it. Baby, it's worth it. Yes, so worth it. Beep, beep. Oops, Mom's calling. Hi, Mom. No, I did have lunch. The cakes are for our tea later, and they're on sale. 2 slices for the price of 1. What a deal. See you later, Mom. Love you. Evil.